Dear student, welcome in English grammar class 5. In the last lecture, we learned about the sentence and the phrase, right? So, sentence means a group of words that makes complete sense. Now, today we are going to learn our English grammar second chapter, subject and predicate. A sentence is made up of two parts, the subject and predicate. Let's see what is the subject. The subject is the subject names the person or thing in the sentence. Subject means what? The person name or any thing name which is given in the sentence. Now, second definition is that predicate. The predicate tells us something about the subject. It means subject is a name of person or things and predicate indicate information about the subject. It means predicate tell us something about the subject. Okay. Usually the subject occurs before the predicate. Sometimes it rare case it will be happen that subject occur after the predicate. For example, look at the sentence subject and predicate. Sentence is given here, Rustam was playing football. In this sentence, Rustam means name of the boy. It means name of the person. So, this is the subject and remaining all sentence is the predicate. Now, the second sentence, the stars. The stars is the subject and remaining all sentence is the predicate. It means the stars shines in the sky at the night. In the sentence, the stars is the subject and remaining all sentence which is shine in the sky at night. This is the predicate. Now we have to solve the examples. Exercise, separate the subject and predicate. Okay, look at the first sentence. The driver washed the car. In this sentence, we have to separate the subject and the predicate. We know that subject means the name of person or thing and predicate means what? The extra information or the predicate tell us something about the subject. Okay. Now in this sentence, the driver washed the car. In this sentence, we have to separate the subject and the remaining predicate. Look at the first sentence. In this sentence, the driver is the subject and remaining all sentence means wash the car is the predicate. Now, second sentence. Johnny kicked the ball. In this sentence, Johnny is the subject and remaining all sentence kick the ball is the predicate. Now third sentence, rats do not like cats. Okay. In this sentence, we have to separate the subject and the predicate. Rats is the subject and remaining all sentence it means do not like cats is the predicate. Now we'll reach at the last sentence. For example, the horse is in the stable. Look at the subject. The horse is the subject and remaining all sentence is in the stable is the predicate. Okay, it means subject is the name of the thing or person, and remaining all sentence which is given extra information or which is tell us something about the subject, it is the predicate. Okay, I hope do you understood the concept of subject and predicate. You have to do your exercise in your notebook. Thank you.